In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your read receipt settings on your messaging app to enhance your privacy. Whether you're just looking to keep your interactions a bit more private, or you simply prefer to respond to messages on your own time without feeling pressured, turning off read receipts can offer a bit of breathing room. To start this process, you'll first need to access your app's settings. So go ahead and tap on your profile picture, usually situated at the top right corner of the interface. This serves as your gateway to a range of customizable options tailored specifically for your app experience. Whether your profile picture is a photo of you, a favorite pet, or simply a placeholder icon, it's your personal identifier within the app. Once you've successfully tapped on your profile picture, the next step is to navigate to the settings menu. Now, this section houses a variety of options where you can tweak everything from notifications to account security. For our purpose, though, we need to direct our attention to privacy settings, where you'll find all the relevant controls related to keeping your information and activities secure. In the privacy section, you'll find a multitude of settings aimed at safeguarding your digital footprint. Among these options, locate the read receipt setting. Sometimes it might be nestled under a subcategory or hidden amid a list of several other privacy features, so be ready to scroll through a bit. It's well worth the effort for the extra peace of mind it can provide. Now, you'll want to toggle off the read receipt setting. When this option is turned off, the indicator that typically lets people know you've seen their message will be disabled. This means you can view messages at your leisure without immediately alerting the sender that you've read them. This particular setting is perfect for those moments when you need to prioritize your own time or want to avoid the pressure of responding immediately. Finally, it's important to remember that while turning off your read receipts offers you more privacy, it goes both ways. This means you too won't be able to see when others have read your messages. So, weigh that aspect carefully depending on how you balance your need for privacy with the convenience of knowing when your messages have been read. By following these simple instructions, you're now equipped with the ability to alter your app settings to better suit your need for privacy, helping you to communicate on your own terms. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial, and we hope this small change makes a big difference in how you manage your digital communications.